Welcome to the Top Best. The best Game of Thrones book set is probably one of the most sought-after collections for any true fan of Westeros, offering an immersive journey into the intricate political machinations, epic battles, and complex character arcs that define George R.R. Martin's unparalleled saga, allowing you to delve deeper into the lore and discover the nuances often lost on screen. Number 5. A Game of Thrones, Book 1. Embark on an epic journey into the realm of Westeros. This is the first installment of a legendary saga. Discover a gripping narrative filled with political maneuvering and the struggle for the Iron Throne. Loyalty and betrayal shape the destinies of noble houses. Delve into the rich history and hidden secrets of this vast continent. Ancient threats begin to stir, challenging the established order. Encounter a diverse cast of characters, each with their own ambitions and motivations. Their choices will determine the fate of the Seven Kingdoms. This is where the story begins, setting the stage for a conflict that will engulf the land. Prepare yourself for a world of magic, dragons, and war. What we like. This is the perfect starting point for newcomers to the epic saga. If you're curious about the world of Westeros and want to dip your toes in before committing to the entire series, this is the one for you. It sets the stage for all the political intrigue and character development to come. What people say. The books are in excellent condition, with crisp pages and sturdy covers. The set includes all 7 novels, providing a complete collection for any fan. The artwork on the slipcase is beautifully detailed and captures the essence of the series. Number 4. George R.R. Martin's A Game of Thrones 5-book boxed set. Dive into the world of Westeros with this complete 5-book collection. Experience the beginning of an unforgettable saga. This is the definitive collection of the acclaimed Song of Ice and Fire series. It's the perfect way to start your adventure. Discover a realm filled with political maneuvering, ancient prophecies, and warring noble houses. The fate of kingdoms hangs in the balance. Own the complete set that started it all. This boxed set is a must-have for any devoted reader. Explore the complex characters and intricate plotlines that have captivated millions. Your epic fantasy adventure awaits. Get all 5 books in one convenient package. It's the ideal gift for yourself or any fantasy enthusiast. What we like. For those who want the full journey, this comprehensive boxed set is an excellent choice. If you're looking for a convenient and cost-effective way to own all the books in the Song of Ice and Fire series, this is ideal. It's perfect for binge reading the entire saga without interruption. What people say. The books are in excellent condition, with crisp pages and sturdy bindings, making them a joy to read and display. The set includes all 7 novels, providing a comprehensive collection for any fan of the series. The artwork on the covers is beautiful and adds a nice aesthetic touch to the collection. Number 3. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built version is packed with authentic details, ready to spark hilarious memories from the classic Friends TV show. Inside, you'll find the iconic cafe studio along with all your favorite characters. Recreate memorable scenes with the included minifigures and their cool accessories. This 1,070-piece collectible toy offers a rewarding building experience for adults. It's the perfect gift for any fan of Friends memorabilia, whether you build solo or with loved ones. It's fully compatible with your existing LEGO construction toys. Mix and match bricks and characters to create your own unique models and tell new stories. Standing over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful set makes a big impression. It's perfect for displaying in any room or office, showcasing your love for the show. What we like. This is a must-have for any true Friends fan. If you love the iconic TV show and enjoy building intricate models, this Central Perk set is for you. It's a fantastic display piece that brings beloved characters and memorable moments to life. What people say. The books are in excellent condition, with crisp pages and sturdy bindings, making them a joy to read and display. This set includes all the books in the series, providing a complete and immersive experience for any fan of George R.R. Martin's epic saga. The cover art is beautifully designed, adding a touch of elegance to the collection and making it a standout piece on any bookshelf. Number 2. Game of Thrones 6-volume hardcover book set by Juniper Books. Immerse yourself in the epic world of Game of Thrones with this stunning 6-volume hardcover collection. These books feature unique, art-inspired covers designed to mimic antique leather and metal-bound tomes. Each cover is a high-quality art print, meticulously wrapped around the original hardcover books. They offer a luxurious feel and an eye-catching aesthetic for any bookshelf. This collectible set is a must-have for any devoted fan of the series or the HBO show. It's a truly special edition that stands out. Looking for a memorable gift? This beautifully designed book set is perfect for any reader and is sure to be cherished for years to come. Crafted with the highest quality and attention to detail, each set is proudly handcrafted by our team in Boulder, Colorado. This set includes all 6 hardcover books by George R.R. Martin, featuring the complete story and the iconic characters you love. What we like. Elevate your bookshelf with this stunningly designed edition. If you appreciate unique artistry and high-quality craftsmanship, this set is a standout. It's perfect for collectors and fans who want a visually impressive and special edition of the beloved series. What people say. The books are in excellent condition, with crisp pages and sturdy covers. The set includes all 7 novels, providing a complete collection for any fan. The artwork on the slipcase is beautiful and adds a nice aesthetic to the collection. Number 1. Game of Thrones Leather Boxed Set. Embark on an epic journey through Westeros. This collection brings the beloved world of Game of Thrones right to your fingertips. Crafted for true fans, this boxed set is a stunning addition to any collection. Its exquisite leather binding offers a premium feel. Immerse yourself in the complete Song of Ice and Fire saga. Every thrilling chapter and intricate detail awaits you. Relive the power, the politics, and the dragons. This is your chance to own a piece of television and literary history. Looking for the perfect gift for a fantasy enthusiast? This luxurious set is sure to impress any admirer of the series. What we like. Experience the epic tale in a truly luxurious format. If you're seeking a premium and sophisticated gift or a special personal collection, this leather-bound set is unparalleled. It offers a tactile and visually rich way to immerse yourself in the world of Game of Thrones. What people say. It was leathercloth bound in a very nice case. The books are beautiful. This is a beautiful set. The books are small and the print is tiny, so beware if you struggle with small print. These are perfect to travel with as they are smaller than the average book. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.